how to differentiate GMB ad different from Google ads, a similarity and dissimilarity. Okay. Now, so when we search something like hearing aid clinic. Now, can you see all of this sponsored result? Soft ear solutions, digital ampliphone. These are all what? Ads, Google ads, right? These are Google search ad. Google search ad. Now, if you go a little bit down, this is also Google search ad. Here it is okay. If I just open it with, let me check within the maps. Can you see this one as sponsored? This is GMB ads, right? Google My Business ads, where our Google business profile is being ranked on the top or shown on the top with by paying to the Google. Got it? Whereas whatever is not sponsored, this is organic ranking. Got it? Yes, no, maybe. Now, first thing, is this different? The answer is the way it is presenting is different, but in the back end, what is happening? Let me show you. So guys, we have a course on Google Ads as well. That's a separate course altogether. So example, and by the way, I have spent more than 2 crore on Google Ads. This was one of the account which I used to manage, Sound Comforts. Okay. So this is a Hyundai car showroom and we run the ads for them. So now, when we're running ads, there are different kind of campaigns. Okay. These are the campaigns. So this is smart ad. This is search ad campaigns. These are search ad campaigns. In the search ad campaign, there is one assets.
Sir, tell me the difference between smart ad and search ad.
Okay. This is Google ad question. I'll explain you. Just give me 1 second. First, let me answer the GMB wala part and then I'll tell you the difference between those two. So these are the ad copies. So this is a campaign, then ad groups, then ad copies. And then there are something which we call it as a ad assets. In the ad assets, there is one option called location extension. Location extension. So let me show that to you first so that you are able to visualize it. So there are multiple extension here. Now in ad copies, in the back end, there are multiple things. One is final URL. When somebody clicks, where it go. Then display path. What exactly will be shown on the URL. Then there will be a call option, direct number. If somebody wants to call it directly from there, they can call it directly from there. Then there are headlines. Now there are 15 headlines. So Google says that you give me 15 headlines based on the exact keyword the people are searching, whatever given in the ad group. I will pick one headline and I'll show it to them. Yes. So these are headlines. And then similarly, there are descriptions. Then there are some images which can be uploaded. Okay. Then there are business logos. Then there are site links, some sites you can understand. Okay. Then there are some more assets. One of the assets, I'm not sure why it is not shown here. One of the asset is location extension. location extension. These are like promotion, structured snippet, apps, and so on and so forth. There is one asset which is called location extension. So we put our Google business profile with the location extension. Let me check where it is. There is a call out extension. This is also an extension. Call extension. This is another extension. Lead form extension. This is also an extension. Similarly, there is one location extension. So when, for example, in your solution case, they are running search ad campaign, for example, they are using location extension as Google business profile. So when I searched on search directly on the search engine, so for example, I searched best hearing aid clinic. At this point of time, it has come directly. I mean, all these things are coming directly, or I think in a clinic near me. So multiple sponsored one is coming. Herewell is the one we are running ads. So that is the reason it is directly coming to me. Otherwise, there are other extension which was coming last time. मैं कहाँ पे दिखा रहा था? इधर दिखा रहा था. Yes, इसको पीछे ले जाता हूँ. यहाँ पे देख रहे हो? These are search ad. Got it? These are search ad. Now, from the search ad, Google has one more thing, which is location extension. So can you see this direction clicks? So when we click on the direction, it will go to Google Map. Let me show you.
So first one is sponsored app, sir.
कौन सा? First one is
ad. First one is sponsored ad.
हाँ, तो वो भी ऐड ही है. तो ये D7 पे सीधे डायरेक्शन क्लिक पे लेके चला गया. यहाँ पे ये जो भी ये गूगल बिजनेस फाइल यहाँ पे जो बना हुआ है, मैं अपना बताऊंगा और सीधे डायरेक्शन पे लेके चला जाएगा. सो फ्रॉम वेयर इट इज पुटिंग द डेटा? फ्रॉम GMB, गूगल बिजनेस प्रोफाइल. क्योंकि गूगल बिजनेस प्रोफाइल पे ही डायरेक्शन का सिर्फ ऑप्शन होता है और कहीं नहीं होता. गॉट इट? यस, नो? नाउ the short answer of your question is GMB ad is not something which is different than the Google ads. It's a subset of Google ads. Okay. So if you have to, if somebody come and say, I only want to run ads on GMB, you can't. There is no option like that. Google does not give any option like that. So how to run ads on GMB? Through Google search ad with location extension attached to it. Now, if you want to learn detail about obviously in Google Ads, तो आप उसका एक अलग से कोर्स है. But अभी हम GMB की बात कर रहे हैं. समझ आया? Now, what is the difference between these two? So Google Ad is the parent. Google Business Profile, GMB Ad is just subset of that. Now the question, to answer the question of, I think somebody has asked this question. What is the difference between search ad and the smart ad? Search ad, you have a better control. You can put the complete campaign, locations, exact keyword you want to target, exact ad copy you want to show, the extension and everything. Whereas smart ad is for the beginners. I think now Google has also stopped the smart ad. Whatever the previously created smart ad, only those are running. Otherwise, they are not.
I'm asking sponsored ad. Sponsored ad.
Okay. Everything which is ad is sponsored. Ad का मतलब ही होता है sponsored. पैसा दे रहे हो ना, you are paying money for that.
Okay.
So you are sponsoring for that. So whatever you can see here, sponsored is basically ads. Got it? So these are ads. Now, if you go down, these are organic. These are organic. Here again, the below 2 one is ad. Hearing Point and insonohearing.com.